whenever with me.
You don't tell me what it is. With your meat though?
Yes.
And this was the moment that she knew that she had messed up.
Today's video is going to be about letting the person in front of me order what I eat for 24 hours and they don't know this. Are you excited?
Yeah, I've been wanting to do this challenge for a minute.
You seen this?
Wait. So we all gotta do this?
Yeah.
Oh, hell. No.
So the challenging part about this challenge is I'm vegan, Jocelyn is veganish, and then
She not.
So we basically came up with like some ideas that where we all could eat. So who want to be the first guest to pick one? You do?
Sure.
Okay. Alright. Put the camera.
I've been bamboozled.
About this.
She's so mad.
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna shake it up.
Alright, what we got?
Let's see. I'm scared. I wanna look.
I'm low-key scared too.
I'm scared.
I'm just hoping like the person in front of us pick something good. What'd that say?
Knuckle provisions.
Oh, bad! The one you wanted to eat.
So wait. So we gotta ask the person.
Next to our table, maybe.
Yeah, I was thinking that too.
Bro. She big bad.
We're here live at Norco Provisions, and yeah, let's get it. This is the first restaurant. Hi, how you doing? All right, come on.
What's up, ladies? How are you? Good, thank you. My name's Aireona, and I'll be taking care of you. Can I get you guys anything besides water at the moment, or do you want to take a minute to kind of look through our happy hour?
Okay, so we're doing like a challenge, and
Okay.
basically we want to order the same thing that they ordered. Like everything that they ordered.
I like it. That's
Okay.
a very interesting yeah. Definitely, let me figure out this.
Okay.
Like seat numbers too, like each of you is going to do that drink, or
We can.
is it alcohol? They are drinking alcohol, they're drinking like 15 lemons and a very good meal. Do you guys want to do that?
Not alcohol.
Just food.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I like that. Does it make you like branch out more?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Are we good with waters then at the moment?
Yeah, that's fine.
And then I will put your order in.
Okay. Thank you. This is what is this? Shredded chicken taco.
Nacho.
Neither one of us eat meat. And then we got fried pickles. So we probably gonna be hungry after this, so we're gonna go somewhere else. Okay. We just got done eating at, what is this called? Noco Provisions. It's our first time eating here. Is this your first time eating here? Oh, it is? Okay, so it's all our first time eating here, and I'm hungry. Okay, so we got, I'm gonna put a picture like up on the screen right here, just to show you guys what we ate. So we got what the other table had ordered, and it was some fried pickles, which was really good. That was the only thing I could eat. And then, what was it? Like some shredded chicken nachos?
It was like some barbecue chicken nachos.
Okay, so it was some nachos. So tell me your thoughts on it.
It was so good.
The one who was so shocked and like,
She was mad.
It was really good. Actually, the pickles were good too. So like all their food was good. So I feel like in instant I would have got anything from there. Like I would definitely do the challenge here again, just since they have good food. So I would definitely recommend them.
okay, bet. What's yours?
So taking a little sneak peek at the menu, it's very vegan friendly, it's very gluten free friendly, and they have something for everybody. I would come here in.
So I feel like just our first place was actually really good. I was satisfied. I'm still hungry though, so we're gonna go to another place. So me and Shekinah, we're gonna play rock paper scissors to see.
Alright, you can just go.
Alright, let's play rock paper scissors. Make it fun. Ready? Best what is it?
Best 2 out of 3.
Okay.
So we go on shoot. Okay, rock paper scissors.
You do that?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
What do you do?
That's law.
Rock paper scissors.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ow! 1 point for Aries.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Damn!
Ow!
That was like the same thing 2
Okay.
times.
Shekinah has not learned.
He's probably gonna say the Grove. Ooh, Uncle Cheetahs.
What is that?
What's up? Uncle Cheetahs.
What's
It's
Uncle
another
Cheetahs?
like
Vegan place?
vegan options. They got chicken too. Okay, so I'm gonna order whatever the person just ordered. And you don't gotta tell me what it is.
Yeah. Okay. It was $15.37. Once the total's okay, I guess I
That's
can.
fine.
Okay.
That's
All right.
You don't tell me what it is. Is it meat though?
Yes.
And this was the moment that she knew that she had messed up.
Steak. Steak.
That's tough.
That's real tough. Oh, they got a lot of stuff here. Okay, listen. What is this? So this must be that steak sandwich or something.
What's well, can't have that.
Oh yeah, that's steak. Oh, it's a steak cheese sandwich. Actually look good though. You should eat it. Okay, so we got that, and we got some rolled seafood sauce, vinegar potato chips. I might eat that. What's this?
I have no idea. Is that a pickle?
Another pickle.
You can have that.
Okay, another pickle. Maybe this is what y'all got.
So far, it's what we got.
Oh, it's probably one Thompson. He did say it was a vegetarian.
Oh, we got the same.
The same exact thing that you got. What is it called? Mushroom?
Hungarian mushroom. Yeah.
Hungarian mushroom soup. So I'll eat this with the roll and the pickle. Somebody can have the chips and the salad. Alright, let's taste the soup, y'all. Yo, this is good. I would have this mushroom soup. I would have never thought to get this. This is actually really good. What's that? Have you tried this soup before? What is it? All eyes on you. How does it taste? Thompson? Bro, just imagine like being paid to go try out over here. Bro, that's the dream right there. Alright, next location, y'all. Man. Krispy Kreme. Please be Krispy Kreme. Stop. Please be Krispy Kreme.
We're in the Batmobile. Going to Starbucks.
Alright.
Gotta put my seatbelt on because safety first.
What was the song you just said?
We're sisters, and what did I say? We're sisters, and we're heading to the Starbucks. Yeah,
Okay. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Give me a high
five.
Alright. You're supposed to say, alright, cut and press.
I don't know that part. Only you do.
Okay, we're heading to Starbucks, guys.
Starbucks. What does that spell? Starbucks.
Oh, are we in the hood?
Hello.
Jocelyn said, well.
Kinda.
Wait, is this a dead end? What is this?
I think you should back up.
Oh yeah, I think I should too.
Bruh.
Oh! No, hold on. Can I get the same exact thing that the person in front of me just ordered?
Sorry?
Can I get the same exact thing that the person in front of me just ordered?
The green tea frappuccino soy milk?
Yes.
Yes! No!
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
She's so confused. You're like, yes!
Oh, soy milk!
Yeah.
Hello.
78, please.
Okay, I got a question. So, the car in front of me, not this order that I had, however, what was the order? Can I have the other order that was in front of them?
Let me look.
Okay. Don't tell me what it is.
Don't tell you what it is.
Mm-mm. I just want it.
You're just wondering?
No, I just want it.
Oh, you want what they're getting.
Uh-huh.
Got it. Okay. I was a little bit confused. Because you can't pay for it anyway. I'm trying to figure out because it combines all the registers and I just got here, literally just now.
Oh.
So,
Pick one, anyone, if you can.
I don't know. What did it look like? Nothing here is really all that exciting. There was
That's
a
okay.
passion iced tea, which is like red
Yes.
pinkish. Was that
Hey, was that the order that was in front of us?
I think so.
Okay, yeah, get that. That's
Passion
fine.
iced tea.
Passion
Add
iced
that
tea.
to your order.
Yes.
So what they did is we do it with a lemonade.
Don't tell me.
colored
Don't tell me.
passion
Don't tell me.
cake.
Don't
No,
tell me.
Just do it.
Don't tell me.
Just do it.
Yeah, just do it. Just put it on the receipt so we can read it.
Okay. Got it. Give me a minute. Let me
Okay.
add that in here and then I gotta make it.
Thank you, Jesus. Something that I like. Something that I actually ordered.
This is some game. I don't know.
So it's actually a YouTube challenge. You basically let the person in front of you order what you eat for 24 hours.
Okay.
So we've been to like 5 different places already.
Joking.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I couldn't do it. I'm so picky and I don't eat meat. I couldn't do it.
I don't either.
Really?
No, I
So what
don't.
do you do if they get chicken?
She's vegan.
Yeah, I'm vegan.
Shut up.
So they give all the meat to me. Because I'm the only one that.
Today.
Your teeth are so pretty.
943 out of 19. Sorry, don't
Thank you, Jesus.
She's so happy.
be 7.
Thank you. Okay, so I got a green tea
Frappuccino with
Huh?
soy milk.
frappuccino. Okay, green tea frappuccino, soy milk, no whip. And it's crazy. Reason when I said I wanted to go to Starbucks, I'm like, God, I pray that they got like soy milk or something. The first drink that Shekinah got, what did you get?
A chai tea
A chai tea latte with regular milk.
Okay, and then
I have a iced grande passion tea lemonade with 3 pumps of liquid cane sugar light ice.
okay, let's see.
Johnson's is probably really good.
I know it sounds good.
I'm tasting yours.
Okay, let's see what this tastes like, y'all. This is my first time actually going to Starbucks. I don't even know what it tastes like, so let's see. What makes it green?
Green tea.
Oh.
It's matcha. Matcha is finely ground green tea.
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's actually good.
What is it? Is it sweet or tart or what?
It's like a mixture. So I'm not really.
So this.
I think I taste more like the soy.
Yeah.
I think that's okay.
Mhm.
The first Starbucks that we went to, it was only one drink. The second time we went to, it was only one drink. So we end up ordering 2 cars ahead to get Jocelyn's drink.
Yeah.
And she's happy now. She was about to cheat on the challenge.
I said I was going to go to the grocery store right next door. Get me something to drink.
Okay, so it all worked out. This is actually good. I can drink this today. I can't. Did a car just come through here?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Did a car just come through here?
I don't think so.
No?
No.
Okay, is there a possible way that you can look to see what the previous order is? Hello?
1 second.
Thank you. Whatever that person ordered, I want it.
This lady's weird.
Okay. They probably think me crazy. Oh, they have frozen lattes.
That's what I frappuccino.
Oh.
He like, bruh, bruh.
The last order was a half dozen glaze.
Sure.
676, I took one down.
Thank you.
I'm low-key sick. I mean, I'm not sick since, I mean, they just
Bruh.
place donuts.
I literally have spoken everything into existence today. Wow, that is good.
Immediately.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Okay. I know what it looks like. Guys, I am aware that Krispy Kreme's is not vegan. I do understand. I did this for the sake of the video and for the fact that I really like Krispy Kreme donuts. I'm sorry, I am not perfect. To all my transitioners out there, I just want to say that when you are going out to eat with friends or family or anything like that, please make sure that you go and research the restaurant you're going to beforehand so you can plan accordingly. Bring your own sauces. Make sure they have vegan options, anything of that nature. Please do your research. So overall, we have spent a total of $49.65. I did not see a lot of vegans do this challenge, which is why I decided to do this. I thought that it would be fun and, you know, just a little bit out of my comfort zone. Most videos I watched, I just seen people do fast food drive-through places, and your girl was not going for that. No. So we picked some vegan places and some we've never been to, and we ordered what the table closest to us got or the person in front of us got, which is pretty interesting, being that I'm the type of person that when I do go out to eat and I find that one thing that I like, I am bound to get that every single time. So this definitely got me out of my comfort zone. I can definitely say that all the food that we have gotten today, it was like really good and I was really surprised. So I'll definitely go back and get the things that I got before. I am definitely a picky eater. And I think this is actually going to be a thing when we do go out and test out vegan restaurants. I'm just going to go ahead and get what the person next to me got or in front of me. Like, I think that was really exciting. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you comment below what was your favorite part of this video. Please be sure to like so I know that you guys like these type of challenges. Also comment below what type of challenges you want to see me do next. I will be uploading videos every single Tuesday moving forward. So make sure you guys push that notification bell above to be notified every time I post a new video. Peace out, guys. Stay blessed. And until next time, love ya.